Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Plix is ready. Charge it fully and install the updated firmware. Once done, open the Plix app and grant the required permissions for motion, location, and notifications so sleep detection can run uninterrupted. Now pair the device via Bluetooth. Follow the app prompts to confirm the device name and signal strength. Make sure the unit sits within 1 to 2 meters of where you sleep and faces upward. These first steps let the system collect accurate baseline movement and ambient data immediately. Next, configure Plix Deep Sleep parameters so it acts how you want. In the app, pick your bedtime window and adjust sensitivity. Low reduces false positives, high catches micro-awakenings. Then set wake thresholds and enable smart triggers like ambient light suppression and noise filtering so it ignores short disturbances. If you use an alarm, wearable, or smart lights, link those integrations. This allows Plix to coordinate gentle wake cues. Once configured, run the guided 10-minute calibration to lock in personalized baselines, activate a sleep session before bed, and watch the morning summary to see sleep stages, interruptions, and suggested tweaks. If detection seems off, move Plix slightly closer or change sensitivity. Small repositioning often resolves signal dropouts. Make sure the app is allowed to run in background and phone battery savers are disabled so data syncs overnight. If syncing fails or readings remain erratic, rerun the calibration or perform a soft reset of Plix. That when troubleshooting step fixes most persistent sensor or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.